Hi everybody, welcome to LBT Club. Yes, hi everyone. Now we continue our English headway printer intermediate. Yeah, in this video we focus on unit 3. Yeah, good news, bad news. Yeah, but in this video we focus on the exercise of the past simple and past continue. Yeah, according to our lesson, yeah, we studied before. The last video we studied about the past simple and past continuous. So in this video we focus to practice the exercise. Yes, so let's go to practice with us. Yeah, complete the following sentences by using the verbs in bracket into correct form of past simple tense. Yeah, past simple tense. So look at the example. Yeah, number one, I give you for example. Yeah, you broke my windows glass. Yeah, so the verb in the bracket break. Yeah, break. So the past form of break is broke. Yeah, broke. Yeah. To number two, the verb in the bracket is see. Yeah, so we complete the correct form of the past simple. Yeah, we complete saw. Yeah, I saw. Yeah, I saw something near that place. Yeah. Number three, the verb in bracket came. Yeah, came. So the past form the past form of come is, yeah, came. He came from London sometimes ago. Yeah. Number four, the verb in bracket buy. So we complete the correct form is bought. Yeah, bought. She bought an iPhone. Yeah, iPhone. Yeah. Number five, the verb in bracket with the negative form. Yeah, negative form. Not. So we choose. The verb is choose. So the negative form of the verb in the bracket we can complete. Yeah, didn't choose. Yeah, didn't choose. Yeah. Number six, the form question. Yeah, the form question, past simple question. So the verb in the bracket speak. Yeah, so we complete the correct form of the question. Yeah, did. Yeah, yeah, did. And then speak. Yeah, did they speak with the committee? Yeah, committee. Yeah, number seven, stand. Yes, stand. So the correct form of the past simple of the word stand, we can complete stood. Yeah, he stood on the table all day. Yeah, all day. The next point, yeah, number 8, his head. Yeah, so the word in bracket strike. Yes, strike. So we can complete his head. Yeah, struck. Yeah, his head struck into the door. Yeah, into the door. Yeah. Number nine, the verb in bracket here. Yeah, here. So you can complete the correct form of the past simple. Yeah, here to heard. Yeah, I heard about this earlier. Yeah, earlier. Yeah, number 10, the verb in bracket flying. Yeah, flying. So we can complete. Yeah, the bird flew away in the sky. Yeah, in the sky. Number 11. Yeah, 11, the verb in bracket sleep. Yeah, sleep. So in this form is the question. Yeah, so the question we begin with the did. Yeah, did. Begin with did. And then after the verb 1. Yeah, so sleep we can complete sleep again. Yeah, sleep the same. The verb in bracket, because in this form is quite question. Yeah, question. Yeah, number 12, the verb in bracket win. Yeah, so the past form of win is won. Yeah, won. Yeah, number 13, the verb in bracket commit. Yeah, commit. So the past form of commit. Yeah, committed. Committed. Yeah. 14. The verb in bracket, write. Yeah, write. So you can complete the past form of write, wrote. Yeah, wrote. Yeah. 15. The verb in bracket, fall. Yeah, fall. So the past form of fall is fell. Yeah, sorry, fell. Fell. Yes. So we complete all the past simple exercise. So the next point we focus on past continue. Yeah, past continue form. Yeah. Write down the correct form of the verbs, the verb given, yeah, in the bracket to make a sentences. To make a sentence into the past continuous tense. Yeah, continuous tense. Yeah. So number 1, the verb in bracket, break. Bit. Yeah, so you can complete the correct form with the past continue. Yeah, we must have the verb be. Verb be of past simple. You know, verb be of past simple, we have was or were. Yeah, was or were. So we use was with I, he, she, it. And were we use with you, we, they. So let's go to practice. Yeah, the correct form of the bit past continue. She, yeah, she was beating her child. Yeah, she was beating her child. Yeah, number 2, blow. Yeah, the word in bracket, blow. So we can complete was blowing. Yeah, was blowing. Yeah, number 3, the form is question. Yeah, the form question. Yeah, so you can complete start from was. Yeah, because the subject she. Yeah, was she buying. Yeah, was she buying for her husband on birthday, on his birthday. Yeah, number four, break. Yeah, so you can complete was breaking. Yeah, was breaking. Yeah, number 5, cut. Yeah, cut. The form question. Yeah, so we start from start the word were. Yeah, start the word were, because subject you. Yeah, you, were you cutting. Yeah, were you cutting. Yeah, number 6, deal. Yeah, deal. Yeah, so the subject C, so we start with was. Yes, she was dealing with her shopkeeper yesterday. With the shopkeeper yesterday. Yeah, number 7, question form. Yeah, so question form we start with were. Yeah, were we yeah, we going. Yeah, were we going for picnic. Yeah, the next point, number 8. Yeah, number 8, hide. Yeah, hide. So he was hiding. Yeah, he was hiding. Yeah, number 9. Pay. Yeah, so you were paying. Yeah, you were paying. Yeah, the bill to the delivery boy. Yeah, boy. Number 10, they. Yeah, so they were sitting. Yeah, they were sitting on the roller coaster for a ride. Yeah, number 11. The negative form. Yeah, because in the bracket we have not. Yeah, we have not. So and the verb stand. Yeah, so to make the negative form we start from did. Yeah, did. So he, no, did past continue. Yeah, past continue, wasn't. Yeah, wasn't negative, wasn't. Sorry, I confused with the past simple. Sorry. Yeah, he wasn't standing behind the behind your back. Yeah, behind your back. Yeah, number 12, 12 sleep, so we can complete was sleeping, yeah, was sleeping. She was sleeping in her bedroom, yeah. Number 13, 13 do, and the form is a question, yeah, the question form. So we start from the verb past of be, yeah, verb past of be, yeah. So be was, because subject he, yeah. What was he doing, yeah, what was he doing, yeah, in sorry, what was he doing in the backyard, yeah, backyard, yeah. Number 14, 14 the word in bracket bleed, yeah, bleed, yeah. So his feet was bleeding, yeah, so much during the march, yeah, during the march, yeah. The last one, number 15, number 15, she was, yeah, she was. So the verb in bracket try, yeah, try. So she was driving the Rolls-Royce that time, yeah, she was driving the Rolls-Royce that time, yeah. So that's all for this exercise, yeah. So, and see you next video, yeah. The next video I focus on the spelling of the past simple verb, yeah, and pronunciation. See you next time. Bye. Yes, thanks for watching. បាទសូមអរគុណសម្រាប់ការតាមដានទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះទាំងអស់គ្នាតាំងពីដើមរហូតដល់ចប់បាទជាចុងក្រោយសូមអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាជួយចុច like បាទហើយចំពោះអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលឆ្ងល់ចំណុចណាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអាច comment នៅខាងក្រោមវីដេអូនេះបានបាទហើយចំពោះអ្នកដែលមិនទាន់ subscribe សូមជួយចុច subscribe និងបើកកណ្ដឹងដើម្បីទទួលបានវីដេអូថ្មីៗជាបន្តទៀតបាទអញ្ចឹងមានតែប៉ុណ្ណេះបាទសូមអរគុណបាយបាយ